Once, there was a group of sincere farmers, happily co-working to get the best of what their motherland could offer. With limited knowledge on extreme weather, the farmers sort of had a tough time maintaining their farms and their crops. The crops turned sad, leaving the farmers in despair. But hey, someone saw an innovative way out of the situation, constantly striving to find a way through all of this. Deep down, they knew there was a bright side. And Eureka! Axen High Veg. This joy in transforming the farmers' livelihoods for the better by understanding their distinguished innate needs and developing products different from the existing commercial products to serve these most deserving vegetable farmers is the main reason behind the inception of High Veg.
पहले मैंने 2 बीघे लगाया था, उसके बाद मुझे उसका रिजल्ट बढ़िया दिखा, उसकी शाइनिंग बढ़िया थी, मंडी में सबसे पहले बिकता था, अच्छे दामों से बिकता था। दूसरी साल मैंने फिर 1 किला लगाया था, उसमें मुझको और ज़्यादा मुनाफा हुआ, तो और खेतों वाले मेरे पास आए थे, वो बोले कौन सा लगाते हो? मैं लगाता हूँ वरुण गिया।
இந்த பாகை பொடலை ஊனதுனால எனக்கு நல்ல வருமானம் கிடைக்குது. இதை குடும்ப செலவு பண்ணிக்கிறேன். ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை. குடும்பம் ஓட்டுறதுக்கு செலவுக்கு பஞ்சம் இல்லாமல் ಕಾಸು ಅಣ್ಣನಿಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ಲಿ போயிட்டு வரதுனால ಕಾಸು வருது.
ನಾವು ಈಗ ಸುಮಾರು ಒಂದು 10 ಕಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸುಮಾರು ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು 60 ಟನ್ವರೆಗೂ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು 50-40 ಟನ್ ಬರೋ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಈಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರೇಟ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ. ರೇಟ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
The foundation laid by Dr. M. Ramasamy in 1973. The founder and chairman of Rasi Seeds paved the way for producing vegetable seeds under the brand High Veg with the leadership of Dr. Arvind Kapoor in the year 2009. With the strategic direction of Executive Chairman Mr. S. Sendelnathan, Axen High Veg spread its wings to new products and geographic markets. Currently, Axen High Veg boasts of state-of-the-art infrastructure in different parts of the country to meet the distinguished requirements of the farming community.
Farmers was very scared that it's a new variety for they will get good results or not. I introduced it in small quantities. The result they got, they were very happy about it, and I got huge business out of it.
ரீட்டெயிலும் சரி, ஹோல்சேலும் சரி, மிகவும் லாபத்தோடும் நல்ல ஒரு மகிழ்ச்சிகரமாகவும் ஓடிக்கொண்டிருக்கின்றன.
Currently I am selling around 400 to 500 kgs of that bitter gourd, which I was selling earlier around first year I have sold around 20 kgs of that.
At Axen High Veg, our breeders and biotechnologists have constantly adopted the use of the latest breeding innovations and variable technology to yield major breakthroughs which impact the entire industry. Research and development has been the major driving force which has led us to be where we are now in the industry. Our focus and perseverance for excellence in addressing the core needs of the farming community without being distracted by the competition has brought out many innovative initiatives. We engaged innovative breeding practices in crops which our competitors thought were not possible in India.
Main focus of this lab actually is producing double haploid lines using cell culture technique with all different technologies like embryo rescue. So we don't ask for germplasm. We are the germplasm creator. We are the factory of producing germplasm. So that is our strength, biggest strength.
By these facilities, they are helping breeders to develop very good resistant hybrids. So that is very much required for this changing climate now.
During the last 10 years, we have adopted various means of technology at all levels to constantly push the envelope of efficiency. We have consistently adopted methods and practices to meet global standards in all our processes. We have scaled up in terms of production and processing using state-of-the-art facilities with uncompromised quality norms to cater to the increasing needs of the farming community.
When we started from scratch, and today we are testing more than 60,000 tests per year, and this grown like to this now you can see our infrastructure.
We have always been persistent contributors to the farming community. Our work has been lauded by many factions of society. We have been awarded the Agriculture Leadership Award in 2019 for our contribution to Indian agriculture. We are rated 6th in the Access to Seed Index amongst the South and Southeast Asian region, making Accen High Veg the highest rated amongst the Indian companies.
Trainers, training programs and participants are visiting their farm and processing facility, which they are having an extraordinary art of facility for processing of the variety.
Accen High Veg has grown up as a strong tree bearing the fruits of technology and efficiency only because of its highly enriched, deep roots. The people of the company. All that we have achieved across verticals is only because of the collaborative ecosystem that exists amongst the people of Accen High Veg.
Because of this cooperation and trust on each other, I gave a name to this team that was Believers.
In last 10 years, more than 200 products has been identified. So as a next step, I look forward for delivering higher excellence.
Today, our vegetable seed processing capacity is more than 13,000 kgs per day. To date, we have developed around 200 hybrid varieties in 19 vegetable crops with the help of a state-of-the-art double haploid biotech lab and 125 acres of R&D land. Our hybrid vegetable seeds are produced from around 5,500 acres of land in India and over 40 acres of land abroad. Close to 1 million acres of agricultural land in India is being sown with high veg commercial seeds by farmers spread across all states, supported by over 750 dealers and distributors. We also helped our farmers with OPs, apart from hybrids, keeping in mind the budget of the farmers, even though it yielded limited but sure profits. This satisfied a large set of farmers with access to our seeds and established a solid foundation for our growth. Our pro-farmer practices and conducive trade policies helped us become the fastest growing company in the vegetable seed industry today. Today, we commemorate all the efforts and thoughts behind the successful and glorious 10 years and are looking ahead to what the future holds for us. 10 years of Accen High Veg.